Bonsoir, my name is Denis Vettier and I'm going to make for you a apple surprise. I'm from Brittany, it's the west coast in France, and this is a recipe where my mom gave me. I tried to see on all the recipe, I never find. This cake are made very easy. You need about 8 apples, 500 grams of flour, 100 grams of sugar, 2 yellow eggs, little bit of salt, and a quarter of a milliliter of milk. It's about 9 ounces, and you need to have 250 grams of butter, but it needs to be soft. On this case, 2 casserole on the board, okay? And I'm going to start and explain again. See you soon.